go
How
to
to
your
claim your
reward
reward on
to
Poppo
check
app.
if you have any reward to claim while you are on a panel, while you're on a seat, okay, or you are in your live video. So you don't need to switch off your turn off your video or leave the panel you are seated, okay. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do that without closing up your live video or leaving the panel. All right, so there are two ways actually. Like I'm on a panel right now, I will just click on this my return button, okay. Once I click on the return button, I'll leave out all of this place. Sorry, I was not supposed to leave. So I'll come to this round, this last button that is blue down here. Once I click on it, then I'll click on reward, okay. So that's if you are on a panel, but if you are on a live, you might not be able to use this method. So I'll show you the second method in which you can use when you are on your own live or on a party. So this is method one. You can see these are my reward. You can see that I've sat for 2 hours, and this is how you claim your reward. Once you see it, you will always see receive, okay. So you always see receive. So because I'm not at 3,000 per hour, I can't claim this 2 hours reward now, okay. That's why most of you are still seeing 3,000 per hour, you are seeing 5,000 per hour. These are opportunity for you to claim every reward you see. You can see that this one say join the party for 2 hours, 120 by 120, that is the number of minutes I've completed it. Hourly tax greater than or equals to 3,000 per hour. Once you reach that criteria of 3,000 per hour, then you are good to go to claim this reward. But because I'm not on 3,000 per hour, you will see what is going to tell me when I click on receive. You can see extra only can be received. You can see, let's pause that video at that point and pause the video at that point to read what it says. So that is it, guys. So this is method one. So now let me go back to the party. This is how I go back to the party. I click on this circle where this woman is showing she's the host. Once I click on it, then I'll be able to go back to the party. So this is method two. The method two is you click on this three dash here, down here. So once you click on the three dash, then you have reward. You can see reward, you can see messages. You can even check your messages from this point. You can click on reward from this point. Other points too, you can explore and see what it is. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just click on rewards. So you will see that this is the second way you can quickly reach your reward tab and claim every reward that you see. So if you have not been able to claim anyone you see, that means you've not actually achieved the criteria. I've done my live streaming, so that's why you can't see that of live, going live there on it, okay. So if you have not done yours, make sure you do yours. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you. Do have a beautiful day. So make sure you always complete your reward, your tax on or before 5, so that you have time to always claim all your reward. And do like this video, share, and subscribe to this channel so you can always get notified as soon as I upload a new one. Bye. Thanks for watching, and do have a blessed day.